Yo, what is going on, guys? In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make flame arrows in Assassin's Creed Origins, so stay tuned.
It's been a cold winter and it's lasted far too long.
Yo, what's going on, guys? I'm Ray from growonyoutube.com, teaching you how to be better. And making flame arrows in Assassin's Creed is pretty easy. It's pretty straightforward. It's not too difficult. In fact, let me show you how to do it right now. Now, all you need to do is take out the bow of your choice and press L2 and then go towards some sort of fire source. Now, as you can see, once you stand near the fire source for a little while, your arrows will be lit on fire and you'll be able to use these to light someone up. Now, this will do increased damage, I believe, and it will do a little bit of damage over time. So keep that in mind when you are using your bows. Now, if you do not have any fire sources around you, you can hold right on the directional pad, which will bring out your torch, and you can go next to some sort of structure which could be a fire source, like this brazier here, or a campfire, or anything of the sort. If you see any oil drums or anything like that, then you can throw a torch at that also. And if you do that, you will be able to use your arrows to actually get that flamed up. I'm not sure if you can use... Oh, you can use a torch as well. You can even use a torch. So if you have no fire sources near you, you can just take out a torch, throw it on the ground, take out whatever arrows you want to use, and just bend down next to it. I didn't actually know this. This was something that I just learned now, which I'm probably going to be using because you're not always near a fire source, and that is pretty cool. So yeah, I hope this video helps you guys out. Thanks for watching and liking and subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next Assassin's Creed tutorial. Peace out. If you want to buy Assassin's Creed Origins or pretty much anything from Amazon, then please use the link in the description below. It helps out the channel as I get a percentage of basically pennies of whatever you spend over there on Amazon, and it has no extra cost to you. So if you want to help out the channel for free doing what you do anyways, then please use that link. Thank you guys very much. I'll see you guys in the next video.
It's been a cold winter and it's lasted far too long. So all this warmth I share with you.